Norbert Mao is now working with the government 100%. He's moving around with Salim Saleh. Those are the people who've been selling their own people in northern Uganda. This Norbert Mao, a very stupid Minister of Justice with this big round head. Now, do you know that a lot of people are suffering, are in prisons, and this stupid round big head man, Minister Norbert Mao, just dancing mapiano in the bars, moving around with the Saleh on the round table, go to Museveni, they are just sharing money. Okay, you are the Minister of Justice, and you've been working with Museveni for this for many years. What have you helped to the people of northern Uganda? If you love your people, you are just masquerading. You are just puppets from Museveni. You cannot even help your people. You are minister. What you did for your people? Norbert Mao, you are hooligan. I'm telling you, you are hooligan. Northern Uganda, they need change, 90%. But some of them, they told me, Abdullah, we've been in the war. We don't want to be in the problem again. That's why some of people, they are supporting government because they are scared what can happen to them. My brothers and sisters, I want to tell you this. President Robert Kyagulanyi Ssentamu, he don't want war that we need gun to fight each other or to fight the dictator. We are going to use our vote. Avoid voting any NRM member. Avoid voting anyone from NRM, even Museveni himself. And you see what can happen. If you don't vote any NRM member, it means you want change. But if you are still voting those who used by dictator in the parliament to sit on us, those are the people who want us to be slaves, those who are working for Museveni. We don't want to be enemy to each other because we are all Ugandans. But there is a time when we need to avoid voting even our brothers, even our sisters, those who are supporting NRM. Because NRM is the party who want us to be slaves in our own country. That thing can work when we are not divided. A lot of people, you know the truth. You know how the situation of our people in our communities. You know it very well that we are still suffering everywhere in Uganda. I want to boost the people of northern Uganda to understand what is going on in our country. Let us join hands. Let us be united. Because we are all united because of this country, Uganda. We don't have another home. We have Uganda. Uganda is for all of us. Let us not be divided through our tribes, our religions, even in our elders. Because our elders, they have not helped our generation. But now, let us fight for our new generation, where we are going to be the old men in that generation. Because these people, they are not part of us. They will never love us. They are just using us as a youth. Avoid those people who used by Museveni in your area. Avoid those people who paid money to divide us. Avoid them. I want to motivate the youth in northern Uganda, in Uganda, in western Uganda, in eastern Uganda, that this country belongs to earth because we are 75% youth. God bless people of Uganda.